Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to create your free Stripe account in 2025 so you can start accepting online payments easily and securely. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com. Click on Start Now or Sign Up at the top right corner. Enter your email address, full name, and create a strong password. Then click Create Account. Stripe will send a verification email to confirm your address, so open your inbox and verify it. Once verified, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now click on Activate Payments to set up your business details. Fill in your business name, address, and website or social media link if you don't have a website yet. You'll also be asked to enter your bank information so Stripe can transfer funds from customer payments directly to your account. After you complete the form, click Submit and your Stripe account will be ready to use. You can now generate payment links, set up checkout pages, or integrate Stripe with your online store or app. And that's it. You've successfully created your free Stripe account in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.